Welcome. In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 5G, and in this video I will show you how to regain access to your device if it doesn't accept your PIN code. In such case, the first thing you have to check is whether you're trying to enter your personal PIN code that you set up for yourself and not the SIM card PIN code, because those two are often mistaken for each other. And if you are sure, then take your time and try to remember it. It might take a while, but if you succeed, it will save you a lot of work in the future. It might also save your personal data stored on your device. But if you really can do this, then reach out to TCL Customer Support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of this device to them, they will surely help you out solving your problem and regaining let you regain the access to the phone without the need of removing any data from your device. And if this option is unavailable for you too, then you can perform a factory reset operation, which will delete all the files from your smartphone, but it will also recover your access, and you can do this remotely using Find My Device feature if it's enabled on your phone. So if you didn't disable it, then you can go to the Find Hub service by Google using any of your other devices and log in to your Google account there and select this one device and perform factory reset operation in one click. And if you want to perform a factory reset operation locally, then you can use a recovery mode for that. And if you don't know how to do that, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to hard reset your phone using recovery mode. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all I wanted to mention. So if it helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.